So check this out, dude. Police light bar. Oh yeah. It's got 9 different functions. There it is on a car. Most definitely getting $24.95. Check out my cart. When I get paid tomorrow. There is a dilemma to getting this though. Gotta watch my budget. Show me my cart. Please show me my cart. Alright, fine. Screw you. I won't be able to get my winch mount. Or my winch controller. Decided to sacrifice that. Get a police light bar kit. And lights for my crawler. Which is not in here at the moment. It's actually in the garage. Because it smells like marine grease. But whatever. So as soon as this comes in, say next Wednesday, I'll hook it up, hook up the lights. It's going to be awesome. Check these guys out. Hobbyparts.com. If it would show my shopping cart, it's $51.80 for the light kit. Show you. For the light kit, we'll pull it up here. For the light kit, all that. Pretty simple. Bunch of leads, bunch of those. I'm gonna plastic dip it. Yes, I'm getting plastic dip. That's also $24.95, so I'm gonna get that. And free shipping. Get those installed by probably next weekend. And do a night crawl. Oh yeah. A police crawler. A crawling police car. And I might get a new body. You know what? I'm gonna get a new body. Like I am. I'm very excited right now. You can't tell, but I am. Kinda can't wait to get paid tomorrow.